Hey guys, welcome to Free Shiksha. Today we have a very exciting method of finding out squares of numbers from 1 to 100. If you love mathematics, if you are preparing for CAT, GMAT, GRE, or even IIT JEE, or even if you do not like mathematics that much, you would love this method because it makes the calculation really easy and really fast. So, first of all, you have to know the squares of numbers from 1 to 30. Now, yeah, that should not be a problem because normally students who are preparing know the squares of numbers from 1 to 15 or probably 20. So, finding out the squares for 10 more numbers might not be that big a problem. So, yes, you will have to memorize the squares from 1 to 30. After that it becomes really exciting. So the trick one, let's say we have to find out the square of numbers between 31 to 50. So let's say 41 square. So 41 can be written as 50 minus 9, and we can find out the square of minus 9, that is 81. So 81 will become the last two digits of the square of 41. And moving forward, the first two digits will be 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16, and 25 is basically 25 is taken as a standard number which can be used for all calculations between 31 to 50, and hence the number will become 1681. Hope that is clear. 16 comes from 25 minus 9. 9 was the number which was deducted from 50, and 81 came from minus 9 square. Now, something that you have to keep in mind is that suppose we are finding the square of 36. Now it will become 50 minus 14. What will be the first two digits, guys? Can you find that out? So we just have to do 14 square, and that is 196. So 96 will be the square, right? So 96 will be the last two digits, and the 196 is the number. So 1 will be taken as a carryover for first two digits. What will be the first two digits? Well, 25 minus 14 plus 1. So 25 was a standard number, as I said before, and we have to deduct 14, and we have to add 1 because 1 was the carryover from 14 square, minus 14 square. So that comes out to be 12, hence 36 square comes out to be 1296. Now trick 2. Suppose we have to find the squares of numbers between 51 and 80. Let's say 67 square, so that can be written as 50 plus 17. And what is 17 square? That is 289. Obviously this is going to help us in finding out the last two digits, and yes, directly we can write 89 as the last two digits of 67 square. Now 2 gets carried over, and the first two digits are 25 plus 17 plus 2 equal to 44. 25 was a standard number, as we said before, and this time we will not be subtracting 17 because 17 is added to 50. So 17 will be added this time, and we'll add 2 as carryover, and that will give us 44. The number will be 4489. Trick 3. Now we have to find out squares between 81 and 100. Let's say 82. So last two digits will be how much? This time, guys, we'll be subtracting it with 100. 82, 100 minus 82, that gives us 18. That is, and actually 82 minus 100, so that gives us minus 18. And minus 18 square is 324. 3 will be taken as a carryover, and last